college campus chatbot using AI. So in that particular video, we'll check out the complete working of that project. Let's start this video.
This basically shows the basic information regarding the chatbot, what exactly chatbot are able to do. So these are the all types of features are available in chatbot which you can interact with it. Also mention some algorithm related details. Apart from this, we have given you one admin panel. So in this admin panel, you do have to do the all configuration. Like you have to input, you have to submit or yeah, provide the input for all these details like student, academic, organization, campus life, and etc. Okay, I have whatever I have found on internet and whatever you have shared. Accordingly, I have put it some information. If any information is incorrect or if you want to add more information, then you have to add accordingly. Okay, let's suppose you want to create some student account. So you just have to go to create section. You have to mention any some ID, name, email, and then you have to enter the department, semester, year, phone number. Simple information you have to provide, and you have to simply click save. Once you click save, you will be able to get everything here. Okay, similarly, if you want to add some attendance, then again you have to go to attendance section. Then in student you have to enter the name, your name you have to enter, and then you have to click the student, which student you want to submit the attendance for. Then course ID, date, status whether present or etc, mark by name, remark, like that. Okay, same enrollment key. Let's suppose you have created some student account and you want to mark or enroll that particular student with some course. Okay, and then in the course section you have to select the course and then you have to submit it. Similarly, in the academic section, you can add the courses. Okay, same you can add the timetable for any course. Okay, I have just added some random. Okay, you have to add all this information. Then our AI will work accordingly. It will gets auto train and automatically fetch your data. It will identify whenever you provide some input. First, it identify the intent, and then based on intent, it will go to database and search for the context, and then accordingly it will generate the response. Okay, so here you have to select a course and then the day of week. Okay, start time, end time, roll number, room number, and building number. If information is present, then you can enter these values, else you can skip. Okay, similarly, you can go to organization section. You can add the departments, faculties, and college information. Okay. Similarly, you can go to campus life. You can add the events, clubs. You can also delete if you want to remove any information which is added incorrectly. So you can simply edit that particular record or delete. Okay, it's configurable. Similarly, library, career, and support. Everything is there. Okay, so let's go back to home page. Okay, this is admin panel. So let me go back to home. So this is the home page. Okay, so this is the chatbot section. So whenever you click on this chatbot section, it will ask you for the ID so that it will fetch your student details. Okay, let's suppose I'm providing this ID. This is the one of the ID. So as you can see, it automatically fetch my mobile number, student ID, and my details. Let's suppose if I ask some details, like I have provided you some shortcuts detail here. Okay, let's suppose I want to know what is my university name or something. Okay, for the first time it takes some time as it take a time to load the LLM model for the first time, and then after that it will proceed it fastly. Okay, so as you can see it giving me the information. Okay, similarly you can ask for the different courses, events. Okay, and let's suppose I want some events, so I'll just click on events, so it will give the events whatever data you will be adding admin panel na, accordingly to generate a response. Let's suppose faculties, I want to show the faculties. You can ask any question, anything, it will generate the response and give the result. Okay, and you can also ask let's suppose what is my enrollment course. Let's suppose let's ask some enrollment courses which I have enrolled. Okay, the info, I think that particular candidate is not enrolled with any courses. Okay, so that is why you have to make sure ki whatever detail you will be supposed to ask. So first you have to do the entry with admin panel.
So this will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section, or you can directly text on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. If you want that particular project, then just text on WhatsApp. So let's end this video here. We'll again connect with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.